guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a tutorial video showing you how to create and customize your own internet browser theme for either Google Chrome or another browser like Brave browser. So I'm going to do an example of one I already made, which I called Coffee. I personally use Brave browser as my personal internet browser because it has a built-in ad blocker. So this is how it looks like. So for this browser here, the main page is it could be a picture you choose, and it doesn't have to do anything with the theme. It's completely unrelated to this theme here. When I make my own internet browser themes, I usually just focus on the toolbar and frame overlay aspect. I don't usually focus on like the main background, like where you search for Google. I think it's fine right there. This is how it looks on the Google Chrome browser. This is how it's meant to look with just the brown color and the cafe au lait colored text here. I'm just letting you know right now that this website called browserthemes.com will be shutting down at the end of November 2023. As you can see here, I have like 19 themes that I've made custom on this website, and I have backed them up all onto my blog here on this page called My Internet Browser Themes from browserthemes.com. And they're all here, and the files are in this Google Drive link. So I have the coffee one here if you wanted to look at it or download it for yourself if you enjoy it. Okay, so let's get started with how to create a new internet browser theme. So I am going to use the one I made as an example. So let's go, we go to the themebeta.com, and then you go to theme creator. And if it asks you to sign in or sign up, just go ahead and do that before you press the theme creator. So with mine, I actually have all of the files in this images folder here. So that is the frame overlay I created. As you can see on the website, it says for the frame overlay, it gives you all the recommended size images, 1100 by 40 pixels, and that's what I did here for a repeating pattern of a coffee mug. So I'm just gonna do what I did before so I can show you. So I called it coffee, and then I went to images. I had a color scheme hex code ready here. So the main background I chose was this coffee brown hex code here. Just press this for the NTP background and you paste the hex code. And for the frame, I put the same color. The toolbar as well. And then the tab background, I had this hex code and input that. Now comes the frame overlay, choose image. Mine is in this folder, images, theme, frame overlay, and it has the dimensions they recommend. Well, it was 1100, but after I put that and I put it in the browser, it wasn't fitted, so I had to alter it to make it fit. So that's why I put 1450 by 40. And so I'm gonna input that. And you can see this is why this website is useful, because if you put an image here, and it can show you if it fits or not. And then the NTP attribution is just your logo. Is here. It's my logo. 300 by 300. And then you go to colors. The toolbar, I put that as this hex code. And now for the text, I put this cafe au lait hex code. Bookmark text, same color. For the tab background text, I had this 25% lighter version of the cafe au lait color. The NTP text will be the cafe au lait hex code, as well as the NTP text link. The control buttons, I put them cafe au lait, but they don't show up on my MacBook. I think it's for Windows. And then when you put in the button color, it doesn't show up on my browser. It didn't show up in the Chrome or in the Brave browser. So there's another step you have to do after you create this. So you pack and download zip. Download it and go to your file explorer. You can see here I'm gonna do a test. Go to the extensions on the Chrome browser. And then you drag the zip in the extensions here, and you can see that it's changed this Omnibox background, and the buttons are grayed out, and the background text is white, or it looks white to me, and everything else seems to be normal. So what I do here is to customize it even more. I unzip this file and I click on the manifest.json file. So this left one here is for the copy one I have made, but with the alterations I made, I have it in here in the text. So this is the three alterations I made. This is in the colors. Right here where it says colors, this is where it is located in here. So I altered the Omnibox background and the Omnibox text and the toolbar button icon. So those are the three main things I have altered because this website themebeta.com does not let you edit those colors. But the website browserthemes.com does let you edit the Omnibox colors and text. So this is where I will have to alter those things in the JSON file code. So what you can do is I'm going to have this entire code in the description. So you can copy this Omnibox background, Omnibox text, and toolbar button icon. Copy those. After button background, go be next to the end bracket, paste. It has to have a comma after each bracket. And you have to, if you want to change the RGB numbers, what you can do if you want to change the color, you can go to encyclorpedia.com. Let me just do a random, let me just do this pink. You see these three numbers here, these are the RGB numbers. The right one here is for the new one I'm creating. So let me just do this for the Omnibox background, which will be this whole rectangle here, the background color. So the background can be 205, 95, and 123. And then the text could be a darker color like, I don't know, rich black, this here. Okay. Omnibox text, and you go to these three. Inside the bracket, it was 1, comma 2, comma 3. That's the text gonna be black, and the background's gonna be pink, and then the toolbar button icon. This is not included in the theme beta code. This will be the color of these on the Brave browser and the color of these buttons in the Chrome browser. So let's choose a color. How about this Viridian green? Okay. So the toolbar button icon. Let's go inside the bracket and change the RGB numbers. 0, 150, 152. So that is the button icon. And if I look in my other one, I added another one that's not included. I mean, it is included in the theme beta website, but it's just not included in the code for some reason. The tab background, that wasn't included in the original code, so I added it in after tab text. So the tab background will be the color of these background tabs. So let's see here. Let's copy that here. Go to the new one. It is, let's put it before tab background text. Paste. Tab background. Always put a comma after the bracket or else it will not be correctly coded. So the tab background, let's choose a color on Encyclopedia. Let's do, how about this French lime? Looks fun. Tab background, let's put in the RGB numbers. 158, comma 253, comma 56. Okay, that is a tab background. And then now the tab background text is going to be that cafe au lait, which is a very light color, will not show up good on the French lime color. So let's just put the black color. Yeah, for just plain black, just put 000, so it can, so the tab background text can, you can actually read it. So 0, 0, 0. So tab background text, bookmark text, we set it up as cafe au lait color. Button background. That the button background I think is for, if you look on this website again, the theme creator button background. I don't see it on here, but see how like it names stuff, but it's not on the website and it's in the code. I'm guessing that's one of these colors. These are the ones we added: Omnibox background, Omnibox text, toolbar button icon, and the rest it was already originally there. You Command S, save it, exit out. Okay, so that is here, this theme 16991, and let's test it out on the Chrome. We'll here go to the extensions. You can go to the dots, extensions, manage extensions, and make sure you put the developer mode. Load unpacked. It is in our downloads, and you click this folder and select. So it wasn't working right now, and I looked back at the code and I didn't put a comma after this bracket, and just that one comma can make it not work. So you have to look twice. And there is a space here. There is no spaces in this entire code. So just be mindful of that. See what else. I'm looking around, see if there's any commas. Let me see if it works now. Load unpacked. Was in here. Okay. You load unpacked, select the folder, and we have installed the theme coffee. So I changed the color of this Omnibox background, and the text is black, and the buttons are a blue or green. Let's try this placeholder. I'm gonna try it on the Brave browser. I already tried it on the Chrome browser. So same thing, developer mode, load unpacked, select the folder we made was this one. Same thing, the pink Omnibox background, the black text, and the blue buttons, and the correct color for the background tabs. So that is how you create a customized internet browser theme for Chrome or Brave browser or Firefox or any other browser. So all the information you need is going to be in the description. If you have any questions at all, please contact me in the comments. So you can just keep the theme in your files, and if you want to apply it to another browser you can do the same way with going to extensions and dragging and dropping it into the extensions page. So feel free to go to my blog here and look at these themes I made and use them in your own internet browser. So I think that's everything. I want to thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye!